Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to What's Next, where we dive into the coolest innovations in design and development. Today, we're tackling something that's going to blow your mind, creating a stunning dashboard app in minutes using Figma Make AI. That's right, you heard me correctly. We're building a fully functional, interactive dashboard without writing a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to craft a live, data-driven dashboard that looks like it took weeks to develop. So, let's jump right in and explore the magic of Figma Make. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, Figma has just released Make, their groundbreaking prompt-to-app AI tool, and it's available for everyone to use. This game changer allows you to attach visuals or Figma files and use prompts to generate both UI and prototype code. The major benefit, you can skip the back and forth between designers and developers, saving precious time and resources. Imagine turning your ideas into reality in minutes instead of days or weeks. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to create your own AI-powered dashboard. We'll start by installing Figma Make and setting up our workspace. Then we'll build our dashboard layout using prompts, connected to real-world data, fine-tune the visuals and interactions, and finally, export or embed our working prototype. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this video will equip you with the skills to create professional-grade dashboards in no time. Let's kick things off with the setup and installation. First, you'll need to install Figma Make. Good news, it's live and accessible right now. Create a new file or open an existing draft and enable Make in your workspace. It's important to note the difference between Full Seat, which allows you to publish, and Starter, which is perfect for draft testing. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now comes the fun part, prompting the dashboard into existence. We'll start with a blank canvas and attach a visual reference to guide the AI's style direction. Here's a sample prompt to get us started. Build a responsive web dashboard with a top navbar including a logo and user avatar, KPI cards for users, sales, and sessions, a line chart for monthly sales, a table of 10 users with avatars, and make it mobile-friendly with horizontal scroll on the table. Watch in awe as the AI generates a layout complete with interactivity and components. But we're not stopping there. Let's take it up a notch by connecting real data to our dashboard. We'll feed the AI some API context. In this case, we'll use the RandomUser API for our demo users. Here's the prompt. Connect users table to RandomUser API, show name and picture. Like magic, the AI hooks up the real data and even adds loading states and spinners. Let's take a moment to preview our live data in action. Pretty cool, right? Now that we have our basic structure and data in place, it's time to customize the design and interactions. We'll use Figma's editing tools to adjust styles like card spacing, chart colors, and typography. Want to add some pizzazz? Try this prompt. Make KPI card background light blue on hover. Watch as the AI adapts the visuals instantly. We can even add functionality to our design. Let's make those sort buttons work with a simple prompt. Make sort buttons function. And just like that, we have a fully interactive dashboard. We're in the home stretch now. It's time to export our code and share our creation with the world. Switch to the Develop view and choose your preferred stack. React with Tailwind is a popular choice, but feel free to explore other frameworks. You have the option to generate code directly or sync with your project via CLI. For a quick demo, let's embed our preview in a browser. It's that simple to go from concept to functional prototype. Before we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned and share some pro tips. We've covered installation, prompting our dashboard into existence, connecting real data, customizing design and interactions, and exporting our creation. Here are some expert suggestions to take your Figma Make skills to the next level. 1. If you're using a design system, take advantage of component mapping for consistency. 2. Keep your prompts clear and concise. Remember, the AI can sometimes override earlier edits, so don't be afraid to iterate. 3. Start with a mobile-first approach and then expand to desktop for the best responsive design. And here's a bonus tip. When searching for more Figma Make tutorials, try using keywords like Dashboard app Figma Make tutorial, Figma Make interactive dashboard, or Figma AI data dashboard to find the most relevant resources. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you're as excited as I am about the possibilities Figma Make opens up for designers and developers alike. The ability to create complex, data-driven dashboards with just a few prompts is truly revolutionary. It's not just about saving time, it's about unleashing creativity and bringing ideas to life faster than ever before. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your dashboard ideas or let me know if you'd like to collaborate on a project. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to What's Next for more cutting-edge tech tutorials and insights. Next week, we'll be diving into another exciting topic that's shaking up the tech world. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep innovating, keep creating, and remember, with tools like Figma Make, the only limit is your imagination. See you in the next video.